everybody, Beth Bennett here, Nestled Feathers, getting ready for our Friday night pour. Just getting a little photography done today. Wanted to pop in and say hi real quick. So, hi. So, in order to kind of blow it up in certain areas, I am going to go ahead and get the straw out. And probably, get rid of that first pair of gloves. And do a little of this and try to keep my hair out of it. Good workout for the lungs too. Let's give you that. Whoops, don't get too excited. Just want to make sure I'm going to get that right up to the edge all the way around. If it goes over, it goes over. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I at least want it all the way up to the edge. Just kind of want to get it to hang there. Make a little bit of a bead before you stop. Not really too concerned with what it's doing to the paint underneath right now. I'm mostly looking at the surface. And as I said, just trying to get that all right to the edge. And then we'll start playing in the middle again. Okay, go right over there if you're gonna go. I probably could have gotten things moving around a little bit quicker. But I'm still liking what I'm seeing. Not disappointed by any means. Also realizing how much there is actually on the board here. Shut this off for just a second and give it a little bit of a spin. And this is pretty level, but it has a dry corner, and that would be up here, right up in here. So I'm just gonna smooth out those edges. I do have tape on the back, so we'll be reheating that after it cures in order to pull up any drips that might have formed. But right now I'm just looking, and I still see one area that I think needs right in here. A little something, something, huh? What do you think, honey? Maybe get in there a little stronger with a straw, or I don't think I'm going to put my lips on that straw right now. That looks pretty nasty. Do we have another straw in the house? Why, yes, we do. Let's get that one over in the bin. A much shorter one. Okay, this is where my hair gets involved, I'm sure of it. In fact, it already is. Okay, what other colors do I got? Just because there's one thing that I also saw them do, and you can kind of get that cell effect, the same kind of cell effect that you do with paints. The stick we get out of the way. Oh, really, there's not much in there, is there? Let's just drizzle. Ooh, a little of that in there. everything, not to mention is this stuff sticky, it's also very slippery. So, just saying, beware. Get a good grip on stuff because it's gonna move around on you. They're pretty colors. Can we get out of the cups here still? It seems to be when they drop, you know, puddles into one another that you can kind of get that cell effect. I want to say geode, but I'm a little tired of hearing the term geode right now. A lot of people doing geodes these days. But let's get a little translucent in there and see what that does. I'm just experimenting. This is only my second resin pour. I have my first one right to the right here. I love the way that kind of looks, though. It almost looks like a jewel. Did I? I did. I think I need to do another one of those dots over here if I can. With something. Oop, here, what do we got? We got some gold left. Isn't that gold? That's gold. Do a drop of gold in there before it totally sets up and we lose it. In fact, I know, and I may have you just stop because we really need you to help use up this resin. We needed to get it into the rest of the molds, which we're doing off camera. We'll surprise you with that information at a later date. Going back in a little black, I think. You don't think so? No. Oh, just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Gotta have something to put the blue up against. You'll see. Trust me. Famous last words. Which stick? I'm not even sure it matters, but we're going with this one. Big old glob of blue in there. Okay, now get too carried away. A little straw, a clean white. There we go. I just don't want resin on my lips. I think it's starting to look like a clock. I still want something over here, though. Okay, well, what do we got left? A little bit of brown coming up. Just a little. I'm just going to go a little. I just love the way that brown looks up against the blue. So I'm going to go right back in with whatever blue I can scrape together. And then we'll probably go back to the turquoise and green. I never really mentioned any of the micas that I've used. We'll probably list those in the comment section afterwards. So if you're still watching and you're still with us, thank you very much. I applaud you. Your patience is amazing. And hope you're enjoying watching. And if you do, I hope you stick with us. And we do this every Friday night. And you are always welcome to join us. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll keep you up to date every week. And we won't always be doing resin. Sometimes we'll be doing paint. And, well, if we ever get any extra time, we'll throw a little extra something in there over the course of the week, too. A little sewing, a little woodworking. Back to some hot air. Like I don't have enough. Oh no, that just came out so pretty. Wow. Okay. I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. We're going kind of a northeast southwest thing, I'm thinking here. That's what it's starting to look like. And that's kind of what you want to do if you're making a clock. So hopefully you will be seeing this in another episode soon. I think I hear Cliff mumbling something to the effect of, oh shoot, the next battery is ready to die on us. So we know we go a little long with these things, and boy do I feel it in the editing process. But we are, again, thankful, so thankful that you have stuck with us thus far, and we look forward to showing you the final result. And we usually will try to pop back up here in the morning once things are all dry and cured. And we still got to torch it and get air bubbles out and all kinds of stuff yet that we're gonna not bore you with. It's really about that final result now, isn't it? See what it ends up looking like when it's all said and done. And we'll be back with you soon with the rest of this pour.